The SECUNORM PROFI25 is a robust safety knife from MARTOR for universal applications. It has a single-sided slider and is supplied ready for use by right-handers. For left-handed use, push out the plastic insert and turn the blade around once. To cut, pierce, thumb away from the slider. At the end, the blade retracts. Plastic strapping band is best cut at a 45-degree angle. For pallet film, begin at the top and cut downwards. Here too, pierce, thumb away, cut. Important, never place your free hand on the cutting path. To remove flaps, pierce at the end, thumb away from the slider to enable the blade to retract at the end of the cut. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. The same applies when cutting away a lid. Pierce, thumb away from the slider and cut, and never towards you. Automatic blade retraction gives you added protection. The SECUNORM PROFI25 is also highly suited to cutting windows. It has a cutting depth up to 21 millimeters. When cutting flexible material, hold the material firmly with your free hand. If cutting resistance is insufficient, you may need to maintain pressure on the slider. But don't forget, release in time at the end of the cutting. Floor coverings are also easy to cut, and at the end of cutting, the blade retracts. Turn the blade around to get a fresh cutting edge. Turn the knife around and push out the plastic insert. Hold the blade carrier from below and slowly open downwards. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Always hold the blade at its blunt edge. When inserting the blade, place exactly on the location loads. Close the blade carrier and push the plastic insert back into the handle. Test by activating and store safely. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. But don't be hasty when removing the insert, and use your free hand as an aid. Change blades on time to ensure a consistently high level of cutting performance, and dispose of immediately in the used blade container. Only use MARTOR blades. Open the blade carrier downwards and insert the new blade so that it fits precisely. Caution: when reassembling, do not position your free hand before the blade slot. Test by activating and store safely. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade. But take care, do not hold the slider, otherwise the spring will overstretch. Place the blade in a safe place. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. At the end, test once and then return to the belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.